Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check if the iPhone is original using serial number. So let's get started. If you purchase your iPhone directly from Apple Store or participating cell phone carrier, then there is a guarantee that the iPhone is original. But if you purchase an iPhone from the online e-commerce websites, then you can use the following steps to verify its authenticity. Each iPhone has a unique serial number. You can verify the serial number from the Apple's database. To locate the serial number on iPhone, go to Settings. Tap on General and then About. Here you will find the serial number and model number. Now go to Apple Coverage Check website. You will find a link to the website in the description. Now enter the serial number. The system lets you know whether or not your iPhone is still within the warranty period. If you receive the message, "We are sorry, but this serial number is not valid. Please check your information and try again," it is likely that the iPhone is fake. That way you can find out whether your iPhone is original or not. Another way to find out whether your iPhone is original, refurbished or replaced is with the help of model number. Check the first character of the model number. The first letters can tell a lot about your iPhone. Using this letter, you can find out if the device is new, refurbished, replacement or personalized. Let's see the meaning of the first letter. If the model number starts with M, then it's a brand new device, meaning the device was purchased new. If the model number starts with F, that means the iPhone is refurbished device and has been through refurbishing process. If the model number starts with N, then the iPhone is a replacement device, meaning the originally bought device was replaced by this model, likely due to the service request. And if the model number starts with P, then the iPhone is personalized device with engraving, meaning the device was customized with the engraving on the purchase. So that was all about checking the authenticity of the iPhone device. This way you can check if the iPhone is original using serial number. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.